everybody. I was walking here in Italy, just going to get my steps, and then suddenly I realized that I saw this dog just running by as fast as possible. Just looked like a collie kind of a dog, and the dog was just so happy and free, running. And I was like, then I started worrying, like, wait, where is the human associated with this dog? And I couldn't find anyone. So I thought, oh shoot, I should follow the dog, because the dog just crossed the street really quickly, and I thought that looked pretty dangerous. And so I just decided to start following the dog. Next thing you know, I realized this dog is not stopping. This dog is like just going so fast. I'm running, trying to keep up, and this is where it led me. And right here, the dog stopped, and there was this young lady who was also realizing that the dog had a collar, but no human. And so she turned out to be really nice, and she saw my jacket here, Vegan for the Animals, and I asked her if she was vegan, and she said that yes, she has been vegan for the last few years, and she said the reason that she became vegan, this is really sad, this is really, really sad actually. Hold on, I'm going to try to sit on some rocks here so you guys can hear the story. But she said the reason that she's vegan is because she was pregnant and her baby died inside of her, and then she realized that she never wants any more death inside of her. I've never heard anyone say it quite that way before, and I just thought, wow, like that is such a cool connection to make. And so she's super nice. She's 34 years old. Her name is Elonora, and she works at like this camping site here, so like just across from where I am. So she gave me a tour, and she says she's trying really hard to get the menu to be more veganized, and she said they have a vegan burger, they have vegan cheese, but she said right now they don't have vegan bread, like vegan buns rather, but they do have just like regular toast. And I said, well, just stick a burger in between that or whatever, that's fine. And she said you can also get vegan pizza. So I'm super excited to tell my husband about all this. He's going to be very, very happy to hear this news. And I just wanted to, I guess, tell you guys the story, because it's kind of a reminder to all of us that if something bad happens to you, you know, she did the opposite of taking it out on the animals. She had this very sad experience happen to her. I mean, I was so speechless when she told me. I was just felt like it's an incredible wave of sadness. Like imagine being pregnant and your baby dies inside of you. It's just so horrifying. And anyway, she's now trying again to get pregnant. She said that she's taking like an injection to stimulate her ovaries, and so she's trying again. She's being hopeful, which is so great. And she's, you know, taking the situation that was so sad and turning it around to be kind to the animals. And I just thought that was amazing. So anyway, I have her Instagram account, and I told her thank you so much for telling me your story. I mean, it was really nice of her to share her story with me, being a complete stranger and everything. She just didn't know me. And yeah, I wanted just to tell you guys that. So thanks for listening. That's a little bit about my life, and let me know about you guys. Has anything so horrible ever happened to you? And did you make the decision to try to find some way to be kind out of that story? Oh, and by the way, I never even finished the story about the dog. So then we had the dog. We found the number on the collar, and the woman who lives with the dog, who takes care of the dog, came on her bike. And the dog was very happy to see her. And so that story ended well. And basically I had just a really nice little adventure here. Really nice time. Nice feeling right now. Anyway, thanks for listening, guys. And if you want to hear more stories, feel free to subscribe to the channel and write your own stories below in the comment section. Thanks. Bye for now.